Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and these magnetic curtain weights have made all the difference for us in our very small shower stall. The spray from the shower head would constantly cause the shower curtain liner to lift and move against us in the shower, which was so aggravating and uncomfortable. But these weights solved that problem. The magnets are quite strong and they're so easy to put together along the base of the curtain liner. I love that I didn't have to actually attach or install anything to the actual shower stall. The weights are so neutral, and these shower curtain weights have been so helpful, and we have loved having them in our bathroom. And that's our point of view.